Students, we are here now with the third part of the plant, that is leaf. Leaves grow from the nodes on a stem. Leaves are generally thin, flat, and green in color. The broad, spread out part of the leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina, and its edge is called the leaf margin. Leaf margin may be entire, dentate, or lobed. Okay. Now we will see the structure of the leaf. Okay. This is the part. What is it called? Leaf base. Means जहां पर ये leaf ब्रांच को चिपका हुआ होता है, यानी जहां से वो निकलता है, that part is called as leaf base. Okay. From at the leaf base, two parts are given out here. They are called as stipules. Okay, here two stipules are there. Okay, all these points once again we are going to revise it there in the next paragraph. But first we will see the total structure. Okay, then the part between the branch or the part between the leaf base and from where actually the leaf starts. Okay, this part is called as petiole. Okay, in Marathi it is called as det, पानाचा det. Okay, then this petiole it continues till here, but here in this leaf area it is called as midvein. It is called midvein. Okay, from this midvein some white color lines are given out. White color lines are given out. They are called as veins. They are called veins. Okay. Now here the tip of the leaf is called as leaf apex. The boundary, the border of the leaf is called as leaf margin. Okay. And this total flat area of the leaf is called as leaf blade. This is the total structure of the leaf. Once again we will revise it. Leaf base, then stipule, petiole, midvein, veins, leaf apex, leaf margin, and leaf blade. This is the total structure of the leaf. Okay. Here this leaf blade we have seen, or it is leaf blade is also called as leaf lamina. Okay, and its margin is called as leaf margin. Okay, how are the leaves? Leaf margins may be entire, dentate or lobed. ओके, ये लीफ का जो ये मार्जिन होता है, यानी बॉर्डर जो बोलते हैं, ये बॉर्डर, ओके, ये क्या, या तो ये एंटायर हो सकती है, हाउ इट इज शोन हियर इन द पिक्चर. ओके, द सेम वे, और यू मस्ट हैव सीन द पीपल लीफ, पिंपळाचं पान अगर देखा होगा तो वो ऐसा पूरा एक जैसा होता है. ओके, कहीं कट वगैरह कुछ नहीं होता. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एंटायर मार्जिन. ओके, और डेंटेड, हियर इट इज ये शोन एंटायर मार्जिन. ओके, दिस डेंटेड यानी ये देखो दांत जैसा दिखाई देता है. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डेंटेड. और लोब्ड मीन्स ऐसे लोब तैयार हो गए. ओके, यू मस्ट हैव सीन द लीफ ऑफ ब्रिंजल. ओके, ये ब्रिंजल में ऐसा दिखाई देता है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज लोब्ड टाइप ऑफ मार्जिन. ओके, सो द मार्जिन मे बी एंटायर, may be dented, or may be lobed. Okay, it depends upon the plant, it depends upon its characteristic. Then now here we start with the next point. Okay, the tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex, as we have discussed. First, it may be tapering, pointed or rounded. अब ये टिप में भी टाइप्स आते हैं. ओके, these three types we have seen of the boundary. Okay, और here we say leaf margin. ये तीन टाइप कौन से हैं लीफ मार्जिन के. ओके, नाउ we are going to see types of leaf apex. ओके, pointed और rounded कैसे कैसे हो सकते हैं? It may be tapering, it may be pointed, or it may be rounded. Okay, leaves of some plants have a stalk called a petiole. लीफ को क्या होता है? petiole. Here Leaves of some plants do not have a petiole. कुछ leaves को petiole होता ही नहीं. Directly this leaf directly it starts from the branch, so it is without petiole. The portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called the leaf base. Small leaf-like structure may be present near the leaf base. These are called stipules. Do you see stipules in all plants? Okay. Now ये leaf base जो होता है, ये leaf base के पास यहाँ से थोड़ी सी green color की growth आती है. In some of the plants you see it. Okay, उसको बोलते हैं stipules. Okay, जहां पर ये leaf का ये petiole चिपका होता है, that is called as leaf base. Okay, and these two are called as stipules. Okay, then question is asked here. Here question is asked, do you see the stipules in all plants? सारे के सारे plants में stipules दिखाई देते हैं क्या? नहीं, never. होते ही नहीं है, सबको नहीं होते. Some of the plants are having the stipules. Then we go to the next paragraph. Leaves of some plants have a single undivided leaf blade and a single midrib. Such leaves are called as simple leaves. Okay, ये type of leaves है. Okay, पहला type है simple leaves. Okay, किसको बोलते हैं simple leaves? Leaves of some plants have a single undivided leaf blade and a single midrib. Such leaves are called as simple leaf. Now here I can show you this. Okay, this is single एक अनडिवाइडेड लीफ, इसका कुछ डिवीजन नहीं हुआ है. ओके, और सिंगल उसको एक मिडरिब है. हियर सिंगल मिडरिब and the leaf is not divided into any part. Okay, such type of leaves are called as simple leaves. However, the leaf blade of leaves in some plants is divided into many small parts called leaflets. Such leaves are called as compound leaves. Now, for understanding, the best example of the compound leaves is neem tree. Neem tree, कडुलिंबाचं झाड. Okay, if you have observed its leaves, then how does it look? Like this. Suppose here leaves are given out like this. Leaves are there. Leaves are given out in this way. The leaves are given out. Okay, such type of ऐसे leaves होते हैं. Okay, such type of leaves are called as, ये सपोज ये ब्रांच है, ये ब्रांच से ये निकला है, ये पूरा एक ही लीफ होता है. ये जो पूरा होता है, ये पूरा एक ही लीफ होता है. ये पूरा एक ही लीफ है. ओके, यहां से निकलता है. ओके, एंड इट गिव्स आउट अगेन स्मॉल लीव्स अगेन. दे आर कॉल्ड एज लीफलेट्स. ओके, तो such leaves are called as compound leaves. Simple leaf and compound. Next line I am reading. Simple leaf and compound leaf are two main types of leaves. This is important point which you have to remember. Okay, this point. Leaf, simple leaf and compound leaf are two main types of leaves. Okay. Okay, now next we go to the next point. Observe a branch of plants like rose. Rose means gulab, neem means कडुलिंबाचं झाड, coriander means कोथिंबीर, hibiscus means जास्वंद. Okay, observe the branches of these plants, then observe the leaves. Okay, what you will see, make the observations and make its note in the notebook. Okay, next paragraph. In different plants, the arrangement of leaves on the stem is different. It may be alternate, opposite, whorled, spiral, etc. Okay, till here it is the one point. The next point we will see it afterwards. कुछ प्लांट्स में क्या होता है, लीव्स की अरेंजमेंट अलग अलग होती है. ओके, लीव्स की अरेंजमेंट, हाउ द लीव्स आर अरेंज्ड ऑन द branches. It may be alternate. Where alternate type of arrangement is shown here downside. This. Okay, this alternate type of. Now see here. Here this side one leaf, this side another leaf. This side one leaf, this side another leaf. Okay, this side one leaf, this side another leaf. Okay, such type of arrangement is called as alternate type of arrangement. What is it called? Alternate type of arrangement. This plant is called as alternate. The arrangement of the leaves is alternate type. Okay, then we see the next. Second is opposite. Now where opposite is shown here, this is the opposite type of arrangement. Okay, now here in this you see it. Okay, how is the arrangement? Now see here, this side one, this side one. Okay, opposite. Here one and exactly opposite to that one. Okay, here one, here one. See the opposite arrangement. Opposite. Okay, such type of arrangement of leaves is called as opposite type of arrangement. Then the third one, what is it? Whorled. Whorled, where it is shown here downside. Okay, this is the whorled type of arrangement of leaves. See here one leaf is there. I'll show you. Okay, here is one, here is one, here three. Means in a circular way. Means from this one point. Means these are called as nodes. From where the leaves are coming out, it is called as nodes. From this node, how many leaves are coming out? 3 are coming out. Okay, and that also they are in a circular manner. Okay, here 3 are there, here 3 are there, here also 3 are there, here also. Okay, and they are arranged in a whorl type. So it is called as whorl arrangement of the leaves. What is the fourth? Spiral. Okay, spiral means this word is related with the spring. Okay, where is it? Now the picture, we will see the picture. This. Okay, this is called as spiral type of arrangement. How is the arrangement? Now see, one. See here. Here this side one, 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 this side one. Okay, in a spiral way. So it is called as spiral type of arrangement. Okay, till here we are over. Okay, now we will see the next line. According to shape. Now the next point is about the shape. According to shape, leaves are rounded. Okay. Up till now, what we have seen according to arrangement of leaves. Now according to shape. यानी लीफ का शेप कैसा है. ओके, तो कैसा हो सकता है? लीव्स आर राउंडेड. राउंडेड यानी वो कभी ओवल शेप भी हो सकता है, नहीं तो राउंड शेप भी हो सकता है. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व द लीव्स ऑफ व्हाट टू से सॉफ्ट गोड, भोपड़ा, अगर उसका लीफ अगर देखा है तो वो पूरा राउंड शेप होता है. ओके, कहीं उसको कट नहीं है, कोई दूसरा शेप नहीं है. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज राउंडेड और ovate. Here pictures are not shown here in the textbook, but example I can explain. Okay, second one is palmate. Second one is palmate. Okay, example I can give of the this one kapashi. Okay, कैसा होता है? Okay, तो एक निकला ऐसे, तो ऐसा ऐसा ऐसा, somehow like this shape. Okay, I could not draw it properly, but somehow this way. Okay, such type of leaves are called as palmate. Okay, palmate leaves. Number 3 is lanceolate. Okay, lanceolate means pointed, it is like an arrow. Okay, arrow जैसा होता है. How is it? Now I can show you. This way, this way, this way. Okay, arrow जैसा होता है, भाल्यासारखं. Mostly the grasses, they are having the lanceolate type of leaves. Okay, the last one, according to shape, it is linear. Linear means in a straight line. In a straight line. In a straight line. Okay, here you can see this type of leaf. It is linear type of leaf. Okay, according to shape. Okay, now here this point gets over. We move to the next. Take a people leaf and a maize leaf and observe them carefully. कौन सा leaf लेना है? People. People means पिंपळाचं झाड. And maize means मका. Okay, you must have observed it. Okay, first we will read this paragraph and then I will explain these two figures. The people leaf is divided into 2 equal parts by a single mid vein which lies along the midline of the leaf blade. Secondary veins arise from the mid vein. They are branched and form a network or reticulum. This word is important, reticulum. Okay, now till here we will see. Now we will see this. Observe this leaf of the people tree. Okay, this is the leaf of the people tree. Okay, if you observe it, if you want to see it in more detail, now it can be seen clearly, more clearly. Okay, if you observe it, then this mid vein, the single mid vein is running from the base till the apex. Okay, and this mid vein, it is given out secondary veins. These are called as secondary veins. These secondary veins are given out. Here also you see secondary veins are given out by the mid vein. Okay, such type of venation is called as a reticulate type of venation. It is called as a reticulate type of venation. Here we will see. On the other hand, in leaves of the maize, all the veins are parallel running from the leaf base to the leaf apex. Thus, the people leaf has reticulate venation. What is the meaning of venation? Venation का मतलब the arrangement of veins. Veins means what? This white color which you see. Okay, that they are called as veins. Okay, ये जो midrib होती है, midrib से जो निकलती है उसको बोलते हैं veins. और ये veins की जो arrangement है, okay, ये reticulate है. यानी देखो इस साइड में एक, इस साइड में एक, इस साइड में एक, इस साइड में एक. Okay, इस साइड में एक, इस साइड में. So it is called as reticulate venation. But if you observe the leaf of sugarcane, maize, okay, in such type of leaves, you will find that all the veins are running parallel. All the veins are running parallel from base till the apex. Okay, such type of venation is called as parallel venation. तो ऐसे venation को बोलते हैं parallel venation. Okay, once again we will revise the point. ये leaf का structure, leaf base, stipule, petiole, leaf blade. Okay, ये mid vein है और ये बाकी दूसरी सेकेंडरी वेन से. ओके, लीप एपेक्स, लीप मार्जिन. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू लीप मार्जिन 3 प्रकार है. ये कौन सा है? पहला एंटायर, ये डेंटेड एंड लोब्ड. ओके, देन अकॉर्डिंग टू द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ लीव्स, अल्टरनेट, देन opposite, this one, then this one is word and this one is spiral. According to the shape, leaves rounded होता है, rounded यानी गोल. Okay, palmate होता है, lanceolate and linear. What are the examples for this? Is सॉफ्टवुड और भोपड़ा। ओके, इसके लिए क्या है? कॉटन और कपाशी। ओके, इसके लिए ग्रासेस। ओके, एंड लीनियर समझने के लिए ये एक एग्जांपल ये सामने ही है। ओके, तो ये लीनियर यानी उसका शेप देखो लीफ का। ओके, देन हियर व्हाट इज दिस इज टाइप ऑफ वेनेशन, यानी वेन की अरेंजमेंट कैसी है? According to that, two types are there: reticulate venation, this upside is called as reticulate venation, downside is called as parallel venation. यहाँ पर वेन्स अल्टरनेट जाती है, एक साइड में एक साइड में एक साइड में एक साइड में एक, इट इज कॉल्ड एज रेटिकुलेट वेनेशन। एंड ये वेन्स यहाँ पर सारी पैरेलल है एक दूसरे को। इन मैथ्स you learn about parallel lines. Okay, the same way these are parallel, so it is called as parallel venation. Okay, then observe the leaves of some other plants. This is the activity given to you. Okay, here one little fun is given. This you can do it at home. See, take a fallen peepal leaf and soak it in water for 15 to 20 days. Dry it and make a greeting card of the less like leaf you get. Okay, ये activity करनी है. Here chart is given. Complete the following chart by observing the plants around you. Okay, मेज का plant लेना है. First example I will explain. Remaining examples you have to do it. Okay, maize. What type of leaf it is? बोलो कौन से type का leaf है ये? Simple leaf है क्या compound leaf है? Okay, once again we will see. The plants have a single undivided leaf and a single midrib. Such leaves are called as simple leaf. Okay, तो maize का कैसा हो गया? Simple. Shape of the leaf blade. Leaf blade का शेप कैसा है? Once again I am taking you entire. Okay, then venation. मेज में कैसा वेनेशन है? पैरेलल वेनेशन, जस्ट नाउ वी हैव सीन. देन शेप ऑफ द लीफ मार्जिन. लीफ मार्जिन का शेप कैसा है? लीफ मार्जिन एंटायर. ओके, देन शेप ऑफ द लीफ एपेक्स पॉइंटेड. पेटियोल नो. स्टिप्यूल नो. अरेंजमेंट ऑन द स्टेम कैसा होता है? अरेंजमेंट अल्टरनेट. ओके, ठीक, चलो. दिस एक्टिविटी रिमेनिंग दिस 3 you have to complete. Okay, here our point of the leaf gets over. Okay, during in next video we will see about the next part of the plant, that is flower. Okay.